just stop right up here by this grass. Look at that vortex to the right.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh yes, multiple vortex in there. Wow, that is violent. Look at that motion. That thing crossed I-70. It probably did major damage there too. I thought it was starting to weaken. Never mind. Just get on the freeway and head towards it. Sure. Keep going and just stop right up at the freeway. Oh, look at the motion. Just get close. You can get close. It's not going to do anything. As long as it's going to cross its path, I'd get right in behind this car with the flashing lights. Hopefully everybody will see this, you know, and not cross the freeway. Oh my, look at that. Keep going. Keep going past them. Keep going past them. Oh, beautiful. Keep on going.
See where it crossed, right?
Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, damage. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, I hope he's all right.